This is the best massage ball ever, and I'm going to show you and Maggie how to roll the upper back, the shoulders, and the neck for upper back, neck, and shoulder pain. All right, so place it under the shoulder blade on the right side there. Let's focus on that right side. Okay, and what I want you to do is you just rotate. There you go, rotate. And what you're doing right now is you're just trying to find areas that are tight, trying to find areas that are achy. Apply pressure to those muscles. They need pressure to relax. Okay, bend your knees, go up and down. There you go. There you go. Do some circles, do some circles. There's no wrong way to do this. It's not going to hurt. The ball is firm yet flexible. There you go. There you go. Good. Okay, now let's get the traps. So now we're going to put it up a little bit higher, walk out a little bit. Okay. Now what I want you to do is you're going to bend your knees and then rotate into your traps and then straighten your legs. Rotate into your traps. There you go. Good. The traps are often muscles that get very tight when you're sitting in front of a computer. You have poor posture. Things like this can really get those muscles to relax. Okay, let's get the neck. So we bring the ball up right behind the neck. Step away from the wall just a little bit. You don't need to be too much. Now you're going to rotate your head with your upper body to the right. Rotate the head to the left. To the right. Perfect. Just keep doing that same movement. Search the neck for tight muscles. You can go up and down, exactly. There's no wrong way to do this. Find tight muscles that are in your body, in your neck, in your shoulders, in your upper back. This will reduce a lot of tension. Okay, that's good. There you go, Maggie. How did that feel?
Amazing.
Did you feel like you were able to get the tension out of those muscles?
Yes.
Excellent. Okay, so this is the best massage ball ever. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below.